In this tutorial, you will learn the latest method to create a Google AdSense account and connect it to your Blogger site. First of all, sign in your Blogger. Select a blog in the upper left side. On the menu sidebar, click Earnings. Next, click Create AdSense Account. Ignore your site. Choose either one of these two suggestions. Select your country or territory. Check this box and click Start using AdSense. Click Enter information in Payments. You need to choose your account type, individual or business. Personally, I prefer individual AdSense account. Next, enter your name. Then fill in your address. You may use Google Map to check the format of your address. Then fill in your phone number. It is optional in some countries, but you may need to complete phone number verification in order to activate your AdSense account. Check all your details and click Submit. When you come back to AdSense account's homepage, click the Let's Go button under Sites. Under Connect your site to AdSense, click Request Review button. Now you have complete the essential setup on your AdSense account. Inside Blogger Earnings page, it will state that your AdSense account is connected and AdSense is reviewing your site now. Wait for a few days to 2 weeks, and then you will receive a reply from AdSense in your Gmail account. This is the example of rejection, and this is the example of approval from AdSense. If this is the first time you get Google AdSense approval, the reply from AdSense will be looking like this, while the remaining approval replies will be looking like this. Once you get Google AdSense approval for your Blogger or WordPress website, the status here will change from getting ready to ready, and you can start to display ads on your site within next few hours. For those who got rejected from Google AdSense, click the sites inside this email. Click Show Details here to determine the exact policy violations that caused AdSense to reject your monetization application. You can learn few ways to fix AdSense policy violations and 12 tips to get Google AdSense approval for your website in these 2 videos. Besides, I also provide free Google AdSense approval service once my YouTube channel has over 4,000 hours of watch time. You may also leave your website link and your current issue under comments section for free AdSense review. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.